Okay, so I'm here with Jamie. Jamie, tell us a bit about yourself.
I'm Jamie Miley with RBA Consulting. I am the National Technical Lead for our Dynamic CRM practice. We have offices in Denver, Dallas, and Twin Cities, and just have landed a big, huge deal the other day that we're really excited about. Hopefully it'll be on stage next year, and I'm a developer mainly for the platform.
Okay, so your main focus here is development. Tell us a bit about that.
I do a lot of different stuff. I kind of hung my hat for a long time on SOAP envelopes and stuff like that in JavaScript, really boring, dry stuff, but I've had the opportunity to really broaden my skill set and whatnot, doing development for migrations and integrations lately, a lot of Scribe, a lot of SSIS, a lot of interesting stuff.
Okay, so tell us, why do you come along to Convergence?
Convergence for all the people like Mark Smith and the other MVPs and all the people you only get to see like once or twice a year, and also to learn more about the product. There's so much stuff coming down the pipe right now, you just can't even hardly keep on top of it all.
So you work for a partner. What value do they see in sending you along?
I don't know, I just beg really hard and they let me go. Basically from a community standpoint, they know that I'm pretty well connected in the community because of the MVP status and that kind of thing. I think that's kind of their main thing there.
Yeah, good. Okay, so tell us about Dynamic CRM 2013. What do you think is your most favorite elements?
Some of the elements that really catch people, I think, are things like the new business rules in the forms and the form editor. So where you traditionally were doing things through JavaScript and whatnot, you do some validation stuff, some simple populating, form filling, setting things required. You can do those types of things now, just using a simple little rule editor and that kind of thing. From a development standpoint, there isn't a whole lot that really stands out. You have your whole synchronous workflow kind of thing, but that's not even really development per se. So it's kind of, it's just different.
Yeah, for real. So tell us about third-party products or add-on solutions. Which ones do you use? Which ones do you like?
I think the one that we sell the most, it seems like, is Click Dimensions right now. As far as for the price and for what they seem to get out of anyone who's doing automated email marketing and whatnot, it seems to go over really well. We were doing a lot of stuff with inside view, but now with the product embedded, we don't see as much of that anymore. As far as yeah, I think those are my two biggest ones. Okay,
and tell us a bit about being an MVP. What's the value of that to you?
Wow. I gotta say that it's really, an honor the way that we serve the community and whatnot, I think, and I am humbled by the strength of this community all the time. And the biggest value for me is definitely the connectedness that comes along with that. I mean, the doors that's opened for me and whatnot has been great, but at the same time, we're serving a large group also.
Yeah, for real. So tell me, for people aspiring to become an MVP, what's your recommendation?
Watch what the other MVPs are doing. Follow suit. You're going to probably wind up spending a lot of time in the forums. You're going to probably blog yourself half to death, and it's a lot of work. I think I posted something like 222 technical blog posts the year that I was actually nominated. So along with 20,000 some points, I think, in the forums, and so it's a lot.
Excellent. So Jamie, just to wrap up, any last words?
You're having a great time at Convergence. If you're not here, it's too bad for you.